Hey everybody, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Power here, and in this short video we're going to be unboxing a new tool. The other day I went out and finally spent a gift card that I've had since Christmas and picked up the Craftsman 20v Cordless Circular Saw. I picked this up. I'd been eyeing it for a while. I don't have a cordless circular saw that I can just carry around in the truck with me or something. But the only ones I've got are my grandfather's old circular saws, and I'm always constantly having to drag a drop cord behind me. But I thought this would be a great addition to the tool arsenal out here in the workshop. I also went and picked up a blade from Harbor Freight. This is the Bauer brand, and say what you want about Harbor Freight, I like their blades that they offer. I haven't tried their Hercules blades yet, but I have the Admiral blades in my table saw and my chop saw or miter saw, and those blades work great for what I do. Again, I work with a lot of soft woods like pine, spruce, cedar, woods like that. So for me, they work fantastic. So I'm going to put this blade on the saw. I already have the Craftsman drill driver combo that came with 2 batteries and a charger in the carrying bag. But what we're going to do now is move the camera over here on the workbench, and we're going to unbox it and get the blade on it, and we're going to give it a test run. And we're going to take the X-Acto knife here and get the box open, and the tool is nicely packaged and it comes with the instruction manual and an actual blade. However, I had read reviews that the blade that actually came with it really wasn't of a good quality. That's why I went on and picked up a blade. But I'm going to show it to you guys here. It's the Craftsman brand. So we're going to go on and open the Bauer blade. And I'm just thumbing through the manual here for a quick second, just giving it a glance over. And a lot of circular saws take a wrench, but this one takes an Allen key, and it's nicely tucked away on the saw itself, so you don't have to put it in a drawer or nothing. And we're gonna put the blade on here and just make sure that it's in the right rotation when you put it on, and get the bolt back on and tighten it down with the Allen key, and put that back in its little holder. And then I'm going to go over and get one of my Craftsman drills and take the battery off of it and put it in so we can give it a test run. We now have the circular saw fully assembled, got a battery in it that's charged up, and got the blade in it. It comes on real quick and gets up to speed real quick, and it also has quick stop, so I like that. It's not that heavy, very portable, be easy to carry around with you all day. But what I have now is a old pressure treated 2x6 that I salvaged, and it's been laying out in the yard. I've got it clamped here to my workbench, and I've got my square here, and we're going to do at least 3 test cuts with it to see how this cuts through the wood. Again, I work with a lot of soft woods, so I'm not concerned with how well it would cut through oak or something of a harder nature, because I hardly ever work with that kind of wood. But wood like this and regular non-pressure treated wood I work with all the time. So let's give it some test cuts and see how it does. Nice smooth cut, hardly any chip out, and this board does have a slight bow in it from where I reclaimed it, and it's been just laying out in the weather. But let's do another one. Again, guys, I'm left-handed. Nice smooth cut again. I'm not having to force the saw through the wood. And we'll do one more cut. awesome. Really like it. It really does a great job of keeping the sawdust out of the way and coming out the chute. But there it is, the Craftsman Cordless 20-volt circular saw. Again, here is the Craftsman 20-volt cordless circular saw from the new 20-volt line that is available over at Lowe's hardware stores. Nice look at it. Think it turned out real good. I hope these few test cuts and the unboxing, in my opinion, that this saw encourages you to go out and pick it up. I'm really glad that the Craftsman brand is living on now that Sears is going by the wayside and closing down a lot of their stores. I'm happy to see the Craftsman name when I go in Lowe's. I know it's not the same quality from years gone by. I do have some original Craftsman tools that were my grandfather's that was passed down to me, some of the old wrenches, the old socket sets. So I'm just happy to still see the brand live on and produce awesome tools. And again, I hope this encourages you to go out and pick up the tool. I got it with a gift card, so I think I had to put maybe $20 with it, and then I had to buy the blade. So I don't really have a lot in it. My cousin gave me that gift card last Christmas, and I've been hanging on to it until I really saw something that I wanted. I didn't want to go out and just buy some wood or supplies. I wanted to buy an actual tool, so when I use it each time I would think of her and the gift she gave me at Christmas. But that's about all for this video. Remember guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.